Reviews is a place for AN members to publish, read, and comment on critical writing about visual art. You can publish your critical writing on exhibitions and other art activities you've experienced, or read and comment on other people's writing to engage in critical discussion. Anyone can view your review, and we encourage you to share it widely using social media. To write a review, log in, go to Community, Reviews. Click the Post a Review button. Start your review. Fill in the title and venue fields, and add a short description if you wish. Tags can help others find your review. Write your review. You can type straight into the text field and use the toolbox to format your review. Or if you prefer to paste in copy that you've already written, use the Paste as Plain Text or Paste from Word buttons. Use the Link tool to add hyperlinks. You can flip between visual and text tabs if you know how to format copy using HTML coding, or to add code from other sites such as YouTube or Vimeo. The featured image will appear on the Reviews menu page. You can select an image you've already uploaded to your library, or choose to upload a new one. If you upload a new image, remember to fill in caption details. Be sure to fully credit other artists' work. Add more images and other media to your review using the Add Media button. The Gallery feature allows you to embed a slideshow of images. Edit or delete your gallery using the toolbox buttons. To change its position, you can drag the gallery to anywhere in the text. Please obtain permission to use images of artists' works. Galleries are usually more than happy to email you their press images if you contact them. Setting a location will help others find your review using search. Select a country, and for UK exhibitions, select a region from the drop-down menus. Save your review. You can save as draft and publish later, or click Create to make your review live. Share your review on social media to ensure it's widely read. Other AN members can comment on your review. You'll receive alerts to your AN messages when others make a suggestion. And don't forget to appreciate and make suggestions on other reviews too. You can also access your reviews, events, blogs and more under the My Stuff tab. And your review will be visible for everyone to see at an.co.uk/reviews. To post reviews or comment, you'll need a membership of AN, part of a package of member tools and benefits.